Ah, oh, ah. Life, oh life, what a war, a deep war. There are stories that seems no end, but when you watch them, they have an end. Life is a stage, you come and you go. The world goes around, and people come around. It comes with pain, it comes with sorrows and joy and laughter. People are hard and they cry their hearts out. Such is life and it cries his heart out. Oh yeah, life is a stage.
Mad! You're crazy! You won't die! Get out of bed! Your father there, no better for your family!
Obuzonya siri na ya gamu Obuzike gosi uwa n'ike agwụla anyị Imana chie were ihe jikwaluwe Afọ onye besakwara Anyị ga-agbanyezi mmiri na nkata ka ọ dịkwa mma Anyị ga-ejikwa okwu jee London ka ọ dịkwa mma Chukwu ijerebe o, ijerebe o, ijerebe o Chukwu ijerebe o
I'm very sorry, Mr. Jackson. There is nothing I can do about it. The orders came from the headquarters. The budget affected our workforce, hence downsizing it to meet up with the harsh economic climate. I'm sorry we are one of those affected.
Look, bro, that's bullshit. That's bullshit. Listen, within the short period of time, I know how much I put into that company that maybe what it is today that should now post up. And what do I get in return? A sack? That's complete bullshit.
Just calm down. Calm down, Jackson. I think what you need now is just a girl to go home with, unwind and cool down your hair. That's exactly the kind of thing I need.
Did you hear yourself? Did you? I just lost my job, and all you could say here is that I need a woman. Look, I know I need a lot of things in my life right now, but woman is probably out of it. Please, I'm not. Hello?
Hello, Jackson. I'm not fine. I'm not fine. Yes, I'm not fine.
Hello? Hello? Chicken?
Jackson, everything is out of place here. Please, please, I'm begging you. Come home as quickly as possible. Okay?
What?
Jackson, is everything alright? That's your brother, Chike. Is everything okay? Jackson, is everything alright?
I'm sorry, bro. But I have to go. Papa? Papa, are you okay? Papa? Papa, it's me, Jackson. Mama? What is wrong with Papa?
My son, your father.
It's been like this for 5 days now.
For 5 days? And no one cared to inform me? Where is David?
Papa Savali says he has a temporary relief therapy. David went to fetch him.
Mama, I'm here now, yeah? I'm here. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, okay?
Sorry, sir.
Papa. We've been standing here for a while. And you haven't said anything.
My children, this land belongs to us. It is our land. It is our only heritage, my children. It is your heritage. You must make sure that you redeem it. Sorry. He has a hidden agenda, my children, which you do not understand. I do not either. I don't understand it yet. I know that time will tell. Time will tell, my children.
Life, oh life.
You must fight for posterity's sake. Take me inside.
There are stories that seems to end, but when you watch them, they have an end. Life is a stage. You come and you go. The world goes around, and people come around. It comes with pain, it comes with sorrows, and joy and laughter. People are hard and they cry their heart out. Such is life and it cries its heart out. Oh yeah, life is a stage.
Father said we should do everything we can within our ambit to make sure we secure this land. If we can't, we should let it go. And right now what he is implying is that if we have to kill, we should do that to retain our heritage. I do not understand anymore. I mean, it's just a piece of land for crying out loud.
Nine K4. By David, K4. What is it? K4 9.
Huh?
Nine. By David. By David. Hello. Chimba. Aforevo 9 K4. Papa! Papa! Hey! Papa! Papa! My name is Nine, why did you do this to me? Liar,
Baby, you have to eat something. Even if it's little. It's been a long day. I have not had anything to eat.
I can't eat now. There are so many people waiting to see me.
Let them wait.
Now what? He's here. Chief, obey me. Are you serious?
Young man, how are you? You're free. Ah, Jackson and David.
How are you? Go.
Nice to have you around.
Hope you're fine?
Yes, Chief, I'm fine.
So, you see, I am here to remind you of the deadline and also to know how you guys are getting ready for the transfer.
Chief, you can't be serious.
Jackson, I'm very, very serious. Yes, I'm serious.
Chief, we just committed our father's corpse to Mother Earth just a few hours ago. You didn't come. Just for you to show up now to remind me of your deadline?
I really sympathize with you over your irreparable loss. Yes, I do. But, you know, all goes Isibuka and Elie.
Yes, we are saying the same thing. It is the same thing we are talking about, Chief.
David is alright, he's alright. I'm coming. It's a necessary end. But what must be done must be done. And you cannot know one.
Chief, I actually see you have no respect for the dead. At this point in time, Chief, I've had enough. Please, I want you to leave my house. Please leave my house now.
Yeah, man. Jackson, David, what's that your name? Your father was a very good man.
Yes, life well spent.
Yeah, life well spent. Let's get out of this.
Person where they fighting brother, they fight himself. All this regard what I know go be afraid. If you kill me,
bullshit. Bullshit. Bullshit.
Baby, is everything alright?
This man is heartless.
Let's live in peace, and peace will be your brother.
10 million naira is not a chicken change. How are we going to raise such a huge sum of amount within the shortest possible time?
Let sleeping dog lie. Let us give Chief Ekweme this land and have peace. I need peace. I want peace. David, get out. David, I said get out. Get out. I've said what is in my mind. Get out. I need peace. I've said what is in my mind. I need peace. We should look for something else to do. Every time, land.
He doesn't understand the implication of deviating from a dead man's will. He doesn't.
One day he will. But the issue now is we have to do what we have to do to raise the amount of money.
No! No! That's not true!
It's true. Look at this whole compound and tell me if it is worth 3 million naira with the house on it. Not to talk about 10 million naira. Listen, if I have 10 million naira, do you know what I'll do? I'll look for good business to do. I mean, buy cars I want the way I want, buy land anyhow I want it.
David, you don't understand. Honestly, you don't. It's not about the size or worth of the land in monetary value. No, it's about your father's will. Yes. And I think it's high time you started understanding these words. Family and heritage.
You know what? You guys are just my own pick. Honestly.
Hello, bros. Yeah, it's me, Jackson. Yes, about that stuff. I know, sir, I know. Yeah, hello, Auntie. Yeah, it's me, Jackson. Yeah, you said I should call you today. I'll pay back.
No, seriously, just give me 2 weeks and I'll give you back.
What is this? That's my man! I'll be right out! Hey, it's you! You're the man that wants to see! You want to let go! Look at you, man! Brother, man! How you doing? Brother, chill. What's up, bro? My brother moving. Wait. You got that contract. Did you do it, bro? Man. Yeah, God. Can you believe it? Oh, you know, I never expected to get that contract. Really? Yes. Considering the number of the people that made tender, there were so many. And you have been mobilized already? Yes, now. Isn't that a miracle? Brother, it's a miracle, no. It's a miracle, my brother. I'm happy for you. I really mean it to you. Thank you so much. So tell me, what's up? Brother, things are really not easy with me. Actually, I came to you for help, financial help. I'm having a serious family pressing issue right now. Very serious one. It's really a pity, Chiki. But right now, I am not disposed financially to help. You know how things are, you know? Things are just so tough. You know? See. Wait, but you just told me about the 50 million mobilization fee you were given. You mean, bro? Yes, I did. But remember, I've not executed it. You put yourself in Chike! Come on, do you expect me to be running the site like a job applicant? Relax, man, I beg. Chill. See, let me tell you what. Let me call the waiter to get you right. That will do you something. Hey, waiter! Chike, come on now.
I was able to raise 69,000 naira. How much is that?
40,000.
Honestly, I'm not in support of this idea. I'm not in support of this idea at all. I managed to raise 25k. You people, I don't understand the way you make your money, but my own, the way I make my money is different. I'm not in support of this idea. 69 plus 40,000.
109,000 plus 25,000. 134,000. 10 million minus 134,000. How much is that?
I don't know. I don't know.
Sweetheart, it was the most breathtaking wedding I have ever attended. You needed to see the bridal tray. Oh my God! Everybody was looking very sharp, sweet, gorgeous, and oh my God! But sweetheart, I'm not jealous of Cassandra. I'm not jealous of her at all, because I cannot be jealous of her, because I know that my own wedding will be talk of the entire city, at least for 2 years. Sweetheart, tell me, what do you think? Wait, are you serious? You mean I've been blabbing all this time?
No. You're not down, it's fine.
The land again.
See, we've not been able to raise any fund. We're fast
Person where they fighting brother, they fight himself. Because blood is thicker than water, I am not go Biafra. If you kill me, I will kill you. And I gave Busi Koku. Igunanya maramba, utonophobia maka. Yege pekwipa, odi chukunaka. Ichokata njo nobi, iga jobwe kwensu nanjo. Inukabinu nobi, inukariru nubu ninu. Sekwake mwedofe, makiro kwa kamadu.
Please, sir.
Let's live in peace, and peace will be your brother.
So we can just run around, gather the money at the bank.
My mind is made up. No way! My mind is made up. Please, sir. Get ready for the D-Day. Please, sir. Please, sir. Get him out of my mind. Move. I'm not sure that one. No. Go. I say move. Stop pushing me now. Move. Let's stop now. Let's get through now. Oh, sorry, Jackson, sorry. Go. Move them. Move them. Move. Take it easy. Move. Take that away.
Sorry. Baby, I'm so sorry. It's all my fault.
It's not your fault at all. That chief of premium man is a sick, greedy bastard.
Baby, I've been thinking. Why would a man as wealthy as Chief Ekweme struggle over an inconsequential piece of land when he can afford acres of land in the choicest area in the city? There is more to the ground than what we can see on the surface.
What are you trying to say?
My friend Cassandra, you know her, right?
Yes.
She read geology and exploration. She can help us unearth whatever is buried in this land. Sorry.
It's enough, it's enough.
Please, so that the wind will go on time, please.
I am done with this whole issue. I mean, Chief Ekweme can have the land for all I care.
Is that all you have to say, David?
I don't care.
So you've suddenly forgotten Papa's instruction?
I do not care, Chike! Papa has bowed out of life. May his gentle soul rest in perfect peace. Chibikweme is out there alive. Did you see those boys? Did you see those boys he surrounds himself with? Did you see the kind of guns they were brandishing? I mean, that is the kind of guns you see these Niger Delta militants brandishing on a good day.
So David, what are you saying?
What I'm saying is they will just make us disappear into thin air with the kind of guns they were holding. I mean, we will never ever acquire the morale to fight over a piece of land with them. We will never!
Jackson is never afraid of anyone. And I won't have you refer to the only legacy Papa left us behind as stupid. Anyway, before we finally give up on this land, there's just one last approach I want us to apply. If it proves negative, then Chief can have the land. But if not, Chief Ekene will be in for one hell of a fight.
Okay, I'm done.
Got all you need?
Yes, the results will be out in a week's time.
That long?
Yes, actually I'm doing my honeymoon now. If not, I wouldn't be here. I only agreed to do this job because of the relationship I have with Marvelous. So please, don't push.
Sorry. I'm sorry, ma.
Alright babes, time to go.
Are you sure this will work?
I don't know anymore. But I guess we should just try out everything.
I don't want any mistakes. Just take your time. Do what you have to do. Are you okay?
Yes! Hey! Who are you? And what are you doing here?
Stop, which one is that? What are you doing?
You are trespassing, that's what you do.
It's passing.
Hey! I will not repeat myself again. Who are you and what are you doing on my property?
Property. You don't buy school before.
You don't look like you have a property.
At all. You know someone don't see buy school before. Talk about property. Oh, someone get one side. Look at.
the place. Now this one I take on measure my parent. My father boxer.
Let you go and send more boys. No, wait. Let it come.
So those rascals did this to you?
Yes, Chief.
Jackson, or whatever you call yourself, you have taken a wrong turn. A turn that will lead you to a deadly path, and I doubt if you will ever find your way out.
We're beating black and blue, Chief. Even to the extent we're treated like common criminals.
Jackson, you have touched the tail of a lion.
The result is finally out, and I want to state categorically that this land you all are standing on is not an ordinary land.
Sandra, what are you talking about?
This land has the potential of wiping out poverty from your lineage forever.
You are speaking in riddles. Just calm down. What we need right now is clarity. Yes? Let me listen to what you said again.
We conducted a seismic survey and discovered that you all are standing on approximately 10 billion barrels of crude oil.
Am I here?
Let me stretch myself.
Jesus. Jesus. Yes. I knew it. Listen, I knew it when Father said Chief Ekweme gave him that huge sum of money.
I knew the man had a hidden agenda. Chief Ekweme has never been a philanthropist. You all know that. Even if he had been, at least not a good one.
Do you know what? I've been the fool all this while. I thought Father was blabbing when he said he should regain this land.
Now, brothers, now are we going to sit back and watch our inheritance snatched from us? No! Poverty has dealt us a great blow. But not anymore! Yes! I think it is time for us to rise and snatch our inheritance and see that poverty is wiped out of our foundation forever! Brothers, if we believe in this fight, let us put our knuckles together to that.
Said Chief Ekweme gave him that huge sum of money.
I knew the man had a hidden agenda. Chief Ekweme has never been a philanthropist. You all know that. Even if he had been, at least not a good one.
Do you know what? I've been the fool all this while. I thought Father was blabbing when he said he should regain this land.
Well, brothers, now are we going to sit back and watch our inheritance snatched from us? No! Poverty has dealt us a great blow. But not anymore! Yes! I think it is time for us to rise and snatch our inheritance and see that poverty is wiped out of our foundation forever! Brothers, if we believe in this fight, let us put our knuckles together to that.
Guys, your food is ready.
What is?
Yeah, I need to eat something, man. I hope my portion is heavy.
Trust me.
Don't go and give me that small portion.
Same time. What's the rise? And that I need to stress.
This is amazing. Quite amazing. Jackson, you mean that land exists now?
Honestly, it's a shocking revelation.
Indeed. Indeed it is. I'm interested. Honestly, I'm interested. What would man be to do?
Okay, first of all, I'd like you to raise me the sum of 10 million naira so I can give it to that greedy bastard to get him off my back.
10 million naira. What will be my benefits?
Sir, you know, I've known you for long. You're like a family friend. Yeah. See, I'd rather eat with you than to die with a devil.
Chief, what do you mean by that? What do you mean by you no longer have interest in the money?
Chief, your money is here. Please, we're begging you. Just take care of our land, please.
Is it somebody is not paying attention here? Yes. The agreement has expired.
But Chief, it's just 12 hours ago. 12 hours.
Young man, I don't care. All you need to do, just get ready to sign a deed of transfer. Get ready! Be that. Nothing out now.
Please, so, my life is just one honest. Hey, Chico. Jackson. What's going on?
How did it go, Jackson? That motherfucker rejected the money.
What?
Yes, that's so.
So what do we do now? We cannot afford this huge loss. It's so big. What do we do?
Since the days of John the Baptist, the kingdom of God, and even that of men, suffer violence, and the violence takes it by force. Since peace is not achievable, war becomes inevitable.
War! War!
Alright, stop it. Wow. I didn't know that this kind of places exist in this city. How would you know? When all you do is dine and wine with the high and mighty. Okay, you have to come out now. Why? This place is terrible. This is the ghetto. Okay, listen. Stay here. Don't say anything to anybody. Anyone that goes you wrong answer. Please no, but don't even say hello to any girl. Do you understand me?
On my own.
I see. Thank you. I see. Even the best way to them is supposed to be.
Well, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
What do you want?
Please, what do you have?
I have rice, beans, gari, begri, even ewedu.
My container is too big. I'm going to need Papa Puts to fill it up.
Who are you with?
I'm here all alone.
Come with me. What?
And open this way. Open it!
Sweet banana, coconut.
Wow. She are me nice and lovely, sweet and sexy. She are me nice and lovely, sweet and sexy girl. She is the good white one.
Sweet banana, coconut. Some boy with deep hunger want to fight here.
Some boy not expect some boy to move. Some boy
Yeah, you look like a blingy man. Our bangara. Babylon. Shoot for me. It was exciting. Exciting. Blingy after you understand me. Oh. When the crocodile eyes cry blood, then this is what action is about. Recusa Santa Indus Speranta. Indus Speranta Recusa. When they told me that you have depicted you as not my husband. Never. Come on in. It has been a while. More than donkey years, brother. I tell you, the brother. Be at home. Take some drink. I'll fix you to my board. That's why I ask myself, where can I find enough food to feed my enemies? From Azaki, so, you thought about Kukusimani? One and one. A.K.A. Spare no soul. No believe it. No believe. No believe. Offer Masaki. Nyanyo. Tilato. Nyan offer Masaki. I got AKs, SMGs, Barettas, enough for the league. Sadi to learn. Sadi to learn. Yeah, you Chakachamba. Feel it. And, look at the stones there, feel it. Feel the stones there. Concrete. I don't believe it. You believe. Enough to wipe out our enemies. Ready to feast with you when it's time to dance. And even more. I will forever be grateful for this favor, Kukusimani. A.K.A. Spare no soul, of Ramasake. And me, I will never forget why I did that oath with you.
butter.
Yeah, my sweet banana, cocoa semani. Everything nice and crispy.
That's what fear. You gotta do a little fever.
Right about now.
You do what the boy say could pan the back of your now. You bring the bagage. So you have to get over the pum thing, you second pan it. So you have to live through with it. You understand that?
Yeah, sweet banana, cocoa semani.
You know Jabam was sexy little that. It's a sweet lip potato.
Once a mamba, always a mamba.
Siracusa, Santa, Intus, Peranta.
Intus, Peranta, Siracusa.
I still remember. Mama, I believe that a mama them Mama,
Life in the circle. Yeah, Jackson. There you go. The best keep within themselves. And things don't die a natural death. Here we are. One of the guns again.
But this time is different. We're fighting a just cause. The only man that has stopped fighting has stopped living. This is a one fight. And we must fight it. Finish.
Guns? Why guns? I thought you guys are done with this gun thing.
Yes, we're done. But you see, Chief Equipment has a way of doing that.
Can there be more diplomatic ways of solving this problem without involving guns?
Diplomatic ways, you say? Chief Equipment is no diplomat. You can't make a diplomat out of Chief Equipment. He is no diplomat, and neither am I. That guy is a rascal. And only the radicality in me can put him where he belongs.
Jackson, there will be grave consequences for your insurrection against Chief Equipment. I mean, the damage will be collateral.
Look, fuck consequences and fuck collateral damage. You don't understand. What we fight for far outweighs collateral damage and consequences. Wise one, I greet you. You have helped us garner great victories in the past. You have made us look like gods before our enemies. The task ahead is very, very heavy and challenging. That is why we have come.
You are welcome, my king. Ayo! Okoyo konjo ni kwe ubuseke Sahara mwacha ni kwe mwaba na mashani tugoje na mworabu wa na watu mwoye. Babu ni chabu. Stolen future?
Maseki? Yes. Yes. He stole our inheritance.
What he stole is beyond the discovery you have made. He stole your destiny.
His destiny? What do you mean? How do you mean?
If you must take back your destiny, the women must go in the way of all men. The women must die. Go, get all the sacrificial items and come back in 3 days. Go! Go.
It's all about my 3 sons. They get admission into the university.
That's
At the
great.
same time.
That's great.
So as it stands now, I don't have what to win in a booming to bankroll their admission. My wife and I are retired school teachers. Our pension arrears not paid. Salary not even enough to cater for our daily domestic needs. Let alone paying his school fees, university school fees. Please, I want your assistance.
How much are we talking about here?
Chief, they will be reading professional courses. And so I will be needing about 10 million naira.
10 million naira. It's rather on the very high side. Now let me ask, how would a retired school teacher pay me back my money? You see, I'm a businessman. I put my money where my mouth is.
I will be able to, Chief. Because the land which I built my house is about 3 plots. 3 plots of land, Chief. That I would like to use as collateral. Please help me. Remove the shame from my face.
Okay, I will think about this. I'll think about this. But I will send my developers to go and assess the land.
Thank you so much. May God bless you.
You are welcome, then. You are welcome. You are welcome.
Abatike. Yes. Who are those men I saw leaving this compound with the mission? Who are they?
Okay, they are Chief Equipment's land developers.
What? Oh. So you want to sell our only property?
No. I only want to use the document to borrow some money from Equipment, our friend.
But Papa Chige, I thought we had discussed this and agreed that this land should be left out. So what is happening?
I know. What do I do? The boys are on my neck.
Yes, who is that?
Huh?
David, what is it?
Huh? I heard voices. Is everything okay? Yes, everything is okay. Okay. Mama, your water is ready. Goodbye. I'll be there soon.
We are not done yet. We will still talk about this later.
Chief, we are done. The land is not in a good sight. However, Chief, I think there's something you should know about this land.
What?
See, Chief,
the land is heavily endowed.
Yes, endowed.
Endowed with what?
Chief, this land is endowed.
See me tomorrow morning. Yes, tomorrow morning. Very soon.
That's good. That land is not for sale. I only want to use it as a collateral to secure my children's future. That is all, Chief.
Oh, no. I know. Yes, I know. That is why I want to double the amount.
Even if you have to triple it, Chief, that land is not for sale. No. It's not for sale. It's not for sale. No. Maybe you don't want to.
Let me got into that. It's okay. Let's do it this way. I'll give you the money. But if after 5 years you don't pay back, the land becomes mine. Is it okay?
It's alright. It's alright.
In that case, I will call my lawyer to prepare the agreement and my bank to get the money ready. It's a deal. You're welcome. You're welcome. Wise one. I called you earlier to tell you about my confession. You advised me and also asked me to come. Wise one, here I am with the money as you requested.
How much is it?
10 million naira.
Money is a tool. Two-edged messenger. Send it for good and for evil. Speak to the money. Send it on an errand. Place your hand there. Now send it.
Hear me, spirit of Mammon. As you enter the hands of Aforevo, destroy the economy of his lineage. Send his children to school, but make yourself scarce from them forever. Bawahaka. Bawahaka. As I send you, never you return back to me.
Odogu, your children will graduate, but jobs will elude them. They will look for jobs. They can never find any. So shall it be.
What is this I hear about you? Planning to go and fight Chibekwe, man? I just left from my maternal home for just 1 month, and you're turning this place into a rebel camp. Why?
Mama, I'm not turning this place into a rebel camp.
Papa left an instruction before he died. I'm just about to see it done.
You're just about to see it done. Did your father tell you to carry guns? Tell me, did he tell you to carry guns?
Mama, Papa said at all costs that we should protect our own thing at all costs. Papa was at the verge of eternity when he left that instruction to us. I didn't understand it then. Until now. And now that I understand it, am I supposed to just sit back and watch somebody come and take our own property just because he has money? Am I?
Please don't do it. Please, for my sake, don't do it. Please. You drag your siblings to your untimely death. Please don't do it. I'm begging you.
Mama, please stop. See, this is not a crying matter.
It's not a cry. You know I hate to see you cry. I don't like when you cry. I'm doing this for your own good, for my own good and the good of my siblings.
My son, don't cry, please. I don't like this.
I'm calling back.
Jackson.
Sir.
Actually, this is to help in the mission. This is your car. This car.
For me?
Exactly, Jackson.
Are you serious? Bros, thank you very much, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I appreciate this. Thank you. I really appreciate this. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Jackson. But I have a premonition.
Which is?
Do you think you have enough manpower to undertake this mission?
Yeah, Chief. There is hardly anything we can do at this point in time. You have to get the next of him to sign this document. Or we have to see the in court.
No, I hate litigation. I don't have patience for your clumsy judicial procedures.
Okay? Then you have to get him to sign the document and transfer the land title deed to you. Chief, I have to leave now. I have a court session this morning. Give me a call when you change your mind about the litigation. You have an idea.
Yes, boss. Gather your boys. It's time for a shake-off.
Oh, yes, Kate. But I believe we're taking it tomorrow. Let's do this time.
Calm down.
Calm down.
Guy, I hope the coast is clear out.
I'm standing here for you. Calm down.
Members, ruthless and dangerous. Members, ruthless and dangerous. Today is indeed a great day in the history of our great confraternity, the Mambas. Our arch enemies have been disarmed, thereby making us the lords, the kings, and the El Shaddai of this great country. All these were pioneered by one man, one single man, Jackson, aka Horror of the Night, the strike chief. Jackson. Since you came on board this ship, the stench of our enemy's blood have become the perfume that we wear. You have proven yourself worthy, and there's no other time to say it than now. On the 4th of next month, at 00 hours, I shall bow out as the captain of this our great confraternity to join the board of trustees and their servicemen. And then Jackson will be enthroned as the new captain, and Kuko Simani will take over as the strike chief.
Why asking why I see you are alien because you born. How long ago? Oh my God, like I said, thanks to your saving grace today. I always have to flee from the police every now and then. Okay. Well, okay, yeah. No. Nazuki, on. Come on! Man, mommy, I'm dead. I'm dead. Come on! Let them know. Bravo!
Why bring me food?
As much as I don't like what you're about to go into, I won't allow you starve to death.
Let's move it, boys. Come on. What? Boy, come on. Come on. Hey,
what?
Nothing. You have to eat.
Now let's go.
I saw it coming. I thought it was a batman. I thought it was probably the late night American thrillers that I've been seeing recently. Now, it's beginning to make sense.
Thank you. Let's go! Hey!
Talking about?
Hey!
I wish I could deceive you.
Why is that? Come on! Who's up, man? Who's up, man? Who's up, man?
I'm sorry to bother you, but I just need you to keep her with you in your house, just temporarily.
I know. You don't have to ask. We are family. Even before my father and mother died in that ghastly motor accident. Sweetheart, this house is yours as much as it's mine.
I knew I could count on you.
Jackson, I love you so much.
I know. Love it too. Okay?
Alright. AKA Spello Soul. Right now, we've entered the jungle. We clear this place. Clear them up. And build our tents this way. You understand? That's right. Yes. On the right, we'll build our SS.
On guard.
SS security. And it tells you, you know the means now. So what you do is, I'll make sure I portion guys for the clearance. But as you clear, anything you see, let I know. You understand? So as we enter now, we should be able to clear faster so that by the time Jackson and Bevo visits the camp, they will be surprised that the tents are ready. Everything is Sam. You hear me?
Yes, sir. Hands on there. All hands on there. Oh yeah, you. This way. Come here, hold on, my friend. The lady will join you. Who is this? Razor. Come this way. You take this Razor. Shoot. Oh God. This way. Take that side. And then Cobra. Come the friend. That's the interior. Come with it. Hold on. Yeah. Watch them out.
If you know belong go, 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 if you know belong. The no matter go reach you. If you know belong go, if you know belong go, if you know belong go, I go matter go reach you. If you know belong go, if you know belong go, if you know belong go, Alabama matter go reach you. Amata go reach you.
This sick bastard! I didn't think he was going to be this easy getting your sick ass. Look at where you found yourself. You know what? Send hello to your brother the devil when you get to hell. Show my God!
Who was that council?
Son of what? Okay, Jackson and Co. What are you trying to
When life is going hard, it seems like there's no hope. When we remember that no one can help us now, Let's hold on, life will bring out change. Though it's hard, but things will change. A better life is coming ahead of you. Tears are rolling now, but I know that things will change. It's a life of struggle, but no gain without pain. But if you stand and hold your...
Who is there?
I'm from Ebenebe Electricity Distribution Company.
Identification.
Boss, young man, relax. Don't bother yourself. I'm hearing a gunshot. But it will be taken care of. Yeah, do you know who your master is? Omowabu. Ekweme. Yes, Yakate Bwe of. Do you understand me? So relax. It will be taken care of.
You sick bastard! I didn't think it was going to be this easy getting your sick ass. Look at where you found yourself. You know what? Send hello to your brother the devil when you get to hell. Shoot that door! Sunny floor.
Okay, Jackson and Co. Unu chọrọ ile manoma amale unu. Jackson! Nina ya puro dogo manoga mebe kuna kibuchuma. Ane modo gwele purafa. Omabodogo, you are nothing but a cockle. You have made the worst mistake of your life. Oh!
But I will show you that you have done evil.
Oh, you didn't tell us he was that dangerous. We could have been killed.
Thank God you are not. I saw everything from here. The man who speaks for Chifuekweme in the realm of the spirits has a rank which comes with rare skill and wizardry. But there is only one man who has the power to render his power null and void.
And who could that be? Udene! Udene! Show yourself, wise one!
That was only a sign. Tell what you hear or see here, and forever remain so. I don't know what happened. Hey, we can have open area. Oh, cricket can have book posts. I got book posts. I am Udene, the vulture that is the living, the evil that lives among men, the evil that begets evil. How to put a hundred more? How to put a hundred more? Oh, cricket can have book posts. I got book posts. Wise one. We have come for you to shut up. You do not tell Udene
what you have come for. Udene has to tell you what you have come for. Because Udene sees the beginning from the end. And he sees the end from the beginning.
I'm sorry. Please forgive, wise one.
Great power deserves great sacrifices. Are you ready to do all that it takes to possess the kind of power that you seek?
Yes, wise one. We are ready.
No bullshit. I never believe it. It's a leaky. After my second 50 years, there my brother I can get it. I can't buy all about the enemy more.
Are you saying there was no person at gunshot place to this?
Of course, yes.
I will receive this without blame. They say that from what I was called military training ground. Due to the deafening sound of sporadic gunshots.
Officers, are you new in the country? There is no more news that rich folks fret even when they hear the sound of a clap. But what are you asking? Assuming it happened, I would have been the first person to report to you guys. Don't you think so?
It's okay, Chief. We must be now. Don't stop.
I know, my dear. When we wrong.
Dike na-akpọ okwu n'anya olu na omume atụkwu na bụ ndị mmụọ hey isi njebe you shall be tested by fire. In the forming of a strong man, fire is required. And when you survive this, we shall proceed to the next level. Hey! Hold on a moment. Big hand up over now. I have to put an up on the more. Hold on a moment. Ginger. Dike, imewe, ime okipu, ekwu eme. Dike na akpọ ogwu n'anya. Ọ bụ onye mgbe dị na-abịa. Olukwa na mgbe. Oke agbala agba eji isi ekwe ya. Today is the fourth day. Do according to your word. You promise to bring them back to life today. It is time. It's right there. Hey, let me go see you, man.
Guys, Cobra is not here.
Let's go.
Cobra!
Cobra. Let's go.
Wise one. Where is Cobra?
Why do you ask for the dead among the living? Do you mean he's dead?
Mind your word, mind your tongue, you mortal. The dead himself collected the weaker one from you. Now it is time to raise you above your enemies, because even the dead himself cannot stand in your way of victory. Because you took the battle to his gate and snatched the key of your destiny from him. It's time for you to do before you go. Take. Take. Slit his throat with it. Okweme is not a man who can fall by your bullet. What keeps disappearing? When you get there, use this band. Tie the bands round their heads. And call me by my name. And I will form a cloud for you. And he will never elude you anymore. Okay, man. He may get kiss me. Ekweme.
Mambas!
Less dangerous.
Mambas! Mambas!
The time has come. A defining moment in our lives. The Mambas has never lost a battle. At least not in my time. I need you all to brace up. Because we're about to tear in asunder anything and everything that stands in our way of victory. We shall put our enemy under our feet, and we shall take that which he has stolen from us. Every deal that Chief Ehumadu went into with my father was predicated on falsehood. When we get there, we shall tear our mansion apart and search every nook and cranny of that mansion. And we shall put Chief Ehumadu and his cohort of thugs where they belong.
Forever.
6 feet. Wait. Reduce Baranta.
Time after time. Again with the love.
Hey! Now come on, stop there. Shut up! Get off of there. Now go this one away. Look at me. Come on now. Let us go one more. Yes!
Your end has come. And there's nothing you can do about it.
Jackson and Co. Iya de Lioba. Jackson Iya de Lioba.
Come on, keep quiet.
If it's the same thing we are talking about the same thing.
Tie it up. Tie it up.
Sanufuloi. Hey! Masake lamba. Sanufuloi.
Kokosimani.
With you! Down with you!
Epolala. Wakatis. Now, man! In the name of the Lord, I command you to reappear now! I will take it to war. I've been considering you, but now use the knife. Use it. Use it. Udele! Why don't you hold me on now? I'm telling you. Jackson, it's okay. It's okay. We'll work it out. I will understand with you now. Let's talk like men. Let's talk like men. Hey, Jackson. This is Goku's money. It's time to line your power now. Mama! Supremo, Fundamento, Sutufari. Hindus, Speranta. Search everywhere. Search. That is where your Goku has entered. Check it. We can stand and swing. Okay. Everybody's hurt!
Main man in the street. Yo. Boy, come on, rock. Boys in the hood, the road, yo. They make the rule and break the rule and take the rule. Number down, it costs the street is costly. Every day and every day. Boys in the hood, they rule the hood. They make the rule and break the rule and take the hood. Number down, it costs the street is costly. Every day and every day. Yo, gangsters in the rock pool. They send the game and play the game in the rock pool. And the streets of Parkland, Boston, there's a rock pool. It's okay, all fingers in the rock pool. No time for the playboy. Yeah, for the playboy. Young boys and monsters in the rock pool. Ain't no time for love in the rock pool. Yeah, wanna speak for the rich dude. For the right to speak.
Dog shit! Big shit! God shit! God shit! Shit! How come no one ever told us? The little title thing is not in the mansion! I'm not even a trace of it!
And how are we supposed to know that?
Stop what you're saying. Is it what you're saying? I think you guys have no idea how many slugs we wasted there for nothing!
Keep your mouth shut, Kokosimani.
You not do that thing at all, Who brought the bullets?
Who brought the money?
Offeraseke!
Hey, my friend, keep shut and shoot your gun.
You
It was not for nothing, Kokosimani. At least now we'll have an idea where to find it. So you calm down.
Capone. I don't understand the call. Are you insinuating we rob a bank?
I don't care!
It's definitely not going to be easy, bro.
I don't fucking care!
Guy, where I live now? Where I live?
Wherever that deed is, we'll find it! Be it Rasok, we'll find it! If we don't get that deed, then everything we're working for, everything we've worked for, is worthless! Listen to me, Dave. You have to begin to strategize on how to get that deed from the bank. Feel me, Dave?
Mama is very ill.
Has she seen a doctor?
No, she refused to see a doctor. You should come see her.
No, I can't. I can't. What Mama is doing is emotional blackmail. I can't see her now. We've gone too far. Listen. What we're doing now is not going to take more than the next 1 or 2 days. And all of this is over.
Is that a fact?
Yes. I need you to hold on to this.
What for?
You can never tell. Just in case.
Okay, I should be on my way now.
I'll see you soon. You should see us with safety boots. Anybody?
I don't understand. I just don't understand.
Relax.
What?
No. Just exact description.
Okay.
Good. Clothes. Beautiful.
Okay. When I want for you.
Everything is ready.
Trust me now. Trust me.
Happy for now.
Alright. Wagro. Because you want.
Now listen.
What shall I do? I don't understand. You don't understand? I'm like,
Now listen.
Why are you so long? You think I'm not being you on? You think I'm on that? I don't understand this. Why is it what? You don't understand?
Hey, look at the money.
So saying, the deal was a huge success. They paid me $10 million to be accountable.
That's impressive. I'm sure very soon the Colombians will start lobbying for our stores.
Sure they will.
Send a word across to them. Tell them we're ready.
Boss, you got the call.
So this is exactly why my father died. Not either. Boss.
Yes.
Who called the cops?
I did.
You called the cops? And the cops told the press. And the press told the general public and whosoever that cares to listen that my father died like a chicken? Huh?
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't know what to do.
He didn't know what to do. Publish it not on the streets of Escalon. Let the sons and daughters of Philistines rejoice. Lest the sons and daughters of the uncircumcised triumph. You know I hate the cops. Dispose the debtors. Take them to the house.
Dead boss. Boss, you need this.
Sure I do.
My boss.
Shut the fuck up! I said shut it down! Shut it up! Enough of the drama. Now listen. You tell your husband to give us that which belongs to us. If he fails to do our bidding, ugly, he will meet your cause. By the time he comes back.
What do you mean that you hand over the title to the people? You can't do that. You can, or you will. Both. Whatever. As a matter of fact, it's time for you to leave my office. Mr. Manager, if I were you. What do you mean by that?
Someone wants to talk to you. Say the subject. What do you mean it's back? Please don't give them service. Talk to me.
Is there any problem? Please don't hurt them. They're all I got, please.
Unless you stop being a jackass and hand over the damn documents.
Can I help you? Okay. Accountant, please come over to my office right now, please. Yeah, now, right away. I am telling you the truth, Mr. Lord. They just left them the document.
Why did you do that?
They were going to kill my wife and my son. What was I supposed to do?
And why are you under the impression that I can't wipe out your entire generation? Pray hard against it. Else you may have to start doing all your property to the orphanage because there will be no family to inherit them. Have a nice day. Good day.
Brother Rob, accept once more my sincere sympathy over the remains of your late father. The man I know is a hero for me. Try as much you can to walk in his footsteps and don't let his labor go in vain. Remember, like Shakespeare says, death is a necessary end that must come when it will come. Take good care of your family and don't forget that there is a season for everything and a time for every purpose under the sky. There is a time to be born and a time to die, time to plant and a time to harvest. There is a time to kill and a time to heal, time to break up and a time to gather. There is a time to weep and a time to laugh, time to mourn and a time to dance. So this may be a time of mourning, but I tell you that sorrow is only for a night, joy comes in the morning. So on behalf of my parishioners, where your father is an active member, I assure you of my prayers and mercies for him. So you take care of your family and don't forget to pray.
Thank you very much.
So my final blessings, may the Almighty God, through the intercession of Blessed Mary, bless you and keep you in the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Be blessed.
Thank you. Well appreciated. I'll see you at the parish.
Where is it? Where is your son?
It's not here. It's not here. It's not here.
For the last time, where is your son?
Even if I know where he is, I will not tell you.
What? Just like that?
Paranta. What next? I believe it.
You mean Chief Ekweme has a son?
Yeah. They call him Rob. A notorious drug peddler. And a product of Chief Ekweme's sexual escapades.
Rob. Does he have a family?
In the intel I ran, a wife and a little daughter.
And you didn't bother to tell me this all this while?
That's why I thought you knew about this.
How can I?
Shit.
How can I jubilate when my enemy is still out there? How? I need you to get me all the facts about Rob.
That's why. Because of the oath I took with you. Supremo So referring to Syracuse.
Syracuse. I will make sure, to the last drop of my blood, to run all the intel about him to the latest, just for the sake of the long blood.
Supremo bullshit. I need answers.
He who pays the piper dictates the tune. Welcome to my world of dance hall, bro.
How is she? Doctor says the shock almost shut her down. Well, that she's responding to treatment. Oh, listen. Maybe I should man this place. Aside the doctor or the nurses assigned to her. No one, I repeat, no one will step into this place. Do you understand? Yes, boss.
Yeah, who is that?
Room service.
A minute.
This is no Jesus. This is Jackson.
What do you want? What do you want? What do you think?
Where is your husband?
What has he done?
Kokosima. Search everywhere. Search everywhere. Sorry, we just want your husband so you and your pretty girl can be safe, okay?
She's nowhere to be found.
What? Nowhere to be found.
She's nowhere to be found.
It's a lucky day. Let's go. What? Just like that. Just like that? Huh? Yeah. Just like that.
What have you done? Jackson! What have you done? Jackson, let's go. Jackson, come on. It's worth it. It's worth it. One for my father and one for my mother. It's worth it. Please. Jackson, let's go. Go. Let's go. Let's go. Right. Let's go. All right. Go.
That wasn't me. That wasn't me.
Why didn't you fly back to Abuja?
So sorry, boss. Their flight was cancelled due to bad weather. So sorry.
So sorry, Lord. Really sorry.
Yes, Lord. You've made enough money. Why not quit and start a legitimate business?
I know it's not that easy, okay? But I'm trying.
You're only motivated by greed, not because you can't. You can't get that skill, honey. I'm just worried.
Don't worry, you don't have to worry. Very soon. Servant.
Yes?
What's your...
You said you had great shirts. Yes, surface I did. I was actually alerted by one of my staff. When I got here, I realized guests in a pool of blood. That was all.
Do you know who could have done that?
Not really. When we got here, we only saw the man who paid for the room crying. And who was that? One Mr. Roberts Ekweme.
That would go.
Thank you. You're welcome.
What was that for, Dave? What was that for? That was a harmless mother and child you wasted back there! What was that for? Women and children! I do not care about women and children! I do not!
This is no military war. There are no rules of engagement. That castle proved that to me when he killed our mother. Remember?
Everything! Everybody in our enemy's camp is expendable. Even an unborn child to me. Until I lay my hands
on that uncircumcised Philistine,
I will leave death and destruction
in my wake.
Yes, I will.
That's right.
Stop calling me Caspian. Have you forgotten your number? Zeracus, Zeresanta, Indus, Spranta.
Indus, Spranta.
Once a member, always a member. You don't even count, remember? That blood and milk caused you swimming. I don't believe it. Come on! They're here. Yes, who's there? Rob and his boys. Who's Rob? Rob?
I don't know, sir.
He brought the war to my gates?
Idiot!
Who the fuck is Rob? Idiot. Please, Rob.
Okay, guys.
Let's finish this thing.
Yes.
Once for all. Let's rob this house.
Yeah. I'm not doing
Let's go! Look at my attack there! Walk. Go, come here. Talk!
What? Truth! Truth! Come on! I thought this was meant to happen to us. We're supposed to be impenetrable. Why?
I don't blame Cobra for doubting that with Denny of a winch. You never trust the devil.
From Maseki.
We're strictly on our own now, guys.
On your state.
Stay off flying bullets. I don't want to lose anyone.
That means we are on our own. Is that what it means?
Don't worry.
Let's go, Paul.
I will soak the pressure.
Let's go.
Coco Simane.
Nothing the apple.
Spare no soul.
Nothing the apple.
Your hands on your head.
Look, you there.
Hands up.
Move.
Move.
Oh?
My patient!
No, but
Almighty Jackson, say your last prayer. Goodbye, Jackson. Marvelous.
Wake up! Wake up, baby. Don't die on me, okay? Don't die on me. Huh? What? You're cold? Don't worry, I got you. I'll warm you up, okay? I'll cover you up. I'll warm you up. No!
I told you I will kill you. Now smoke your hand. I told you I will kill you. And I'm here to smoke you. Go on your knees. Kneel down! That's my fiancé you just killed, you know? Just the way you killed my father, my wife, and my beautiful daughter. Don't move. Let's straight. Stand up. Gently stand up. Move. Continue moving. I said move. Keep moving. Keep moving. Don't fight. Fight for me. Oh. This is the police. Your hands in the air. Now. Raise your hands up in the air. Come this way. This is none of your business, man. Move this way. Move it. This way.
Move. Life, oh life, what a world, a deep world. There are stories that seems no end, but when you watch them they have an end. Life is a stage, you come and you go.
Move.
The world goes around, and people come around. It comes with pain, it comes with sorrows and joy and laughter. People are hard and they cry their hearts out. Such is life and it cries his heart out. Oh yeah, life is a stage. Oh, 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 oh. Obuzonya siri na ya gamuwe. Obuzi kego si uwa ni kabula anyị. Imana chie were iye jikwaluwe. Apunye pesa para.
Keep quiet.
Anyị gabanye si mmiri na nkata ka ọ dịkwa mma. Ka ọ dịkwa mma. Chukwu ijerebe o, ijerebe o, ijerebe o. Chukwu ijerebe o, ụwa na-atụ anyị n'ọnụ. Chukwu ijerebe o, ijerebe o, ijerebe o. Gbata ọsọ ka ị nyeziere anyị aka. When life is going hard, it seems like there's no hope. When we remember that no one can help us now, let's hold on, life will bring out change. Though it's hard, but things will change. A better life is coming ahead of you. Tears are rolling now, but I know that things will change. It's a life of struggle, but no gain without pain. But if you stand and hold